Hey traders, John Howell here. Today's video, we're going to be looking at the mining stocks, silver, gold, and all that sort of stuff, and what's really going on right now in these markets. Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. So let's get straight into these markets. Like, subscribe, you name it, guys, and bell button. Click all the buttons. You know that. See all the buttons there? Just click all of them. Click. Smash it. You know what I mean? So anyway, moving on now through to the the mining stocks. Sorry, silver and gold. We could see that the first thing I'm looking at right now is, as you can see, if I take this off the screen, that gold is actually in a very nice tight triangle pattern. We can see we've got this resistance level coming down through here. So we have a little bit of resistance through here, resistance through here, resistance through here, and then the market's doing that. Okay, so the market really, squeezing up into this triangle pattern. We've got this low, bit of a higher low, and a bit of a higher low, not really much going on. And now we're just slowly starting to try and, it's trying to break up and out. So the level for me, guys, I want to see gold get above that level there. Actually, you know what? Let me bring that down just a little bit more. Yeah, so probably somewhere around about that level there, I would say. Yeah. There we go, that level there. I'd want to see gold get above this level through here. We're starting to try to break up and out in gold. So I'd want to see gold start to move up through there, and it'd be really interesting to see if we are going to continue to see this upward move or not. And we can see this, that's what's happening here. So if we start to break up and out above this level, we're starting to try to break up and out here. We're probably likely to see him move to the upside. Now, if I go to the ETF of gold, which is GLD, I can see something really interesting happening. Firstly, this is a very big tight triangle pattern where we are. Let me just take that off the screen here for a minute. Very nice. Low, high, low, high, low, high, low. Squeezing up. And today we got a little bit of a breakout. A little bit of a breakout today with gold. So gold broke out. What's next? So for me, what I'm looking at with gold is you can see we're in this bit of a downward trend, and then now we're in this bit of upward trend, and now it's actually broken out. There's either two things this is going to happen here, guys. Firstly, it's a true breakout. If it is, we will continue to hold above here and then they're likely to rise. Or secondly, it could be a false breakout. Now, if it's a false breakout, we're likely to, we will reverse. We will then get below this trend line here, and then start to see a move back down. So the question is GLD in a bit of a false breakout scenario or not? Moving on now through to silver. Sorry, there we go. Silver, and we're doing sort of the similar to same thing. Sort of the similar to same thing. Sort of the similar to same of the thing. Sort of the similar. Oh, jeez. Sort of similar to same of the thing. What is that? I can't stop saying it now. Sort of the similar, same of the thing. Sort of similar, samer thing. That was strange. I always that's right. Burger, not burger, tomato, Sort of similar, same of the thing. Oh, jeez. We're doing sort of... Alrighty. Take a breath, John. Take a breath. I'm having a good old time doing this analysis video today, aren't I? Oh, sort of the similar, same of the thing. Oh, man. Pause the video or do something, I don't know. So... We've got this nice little resistance up the top here around 30. All right, now, moving forward, guys, we can see how silver was in this triangle pattern, and we did break out. Actually, yesterday we broke out, and now we're broken to the upside when it comes to silver. The silver's already starting to break out of this triangle pattern. So we're starting to already break up and out when it comes to silver. That's right. Silver, not silver. Sort of similar, same thinger. And the SLV, the ETF of silver and gold, we can see that we're actually starting to slightly break out. Now, this is a bit more of a longer term trend line, and then you have more of a shorter term sort of, maybe something going on through there. Is there something going on through there? Yeah, something going through. All right, maybe something going on through there. Bit of a triangle pattern once again, guys. If I take that off the screen, let me just take that off the screen. Let me actually pull that a bit forward so I can get it a bit more closer. There we go. That's the one. That's what I was after. That's her. So you can see how we were in a big triangle pattern, and now we're just starting to slowly break out of the SLV pattern. So getting very, very, very bullish right now on this pattern here. The question is, once again, is it a true breakout or false breakout? That's yet to be seen. We're not getting a lot of volume through here, so that's actually not something I like. So it'd be really interesting to see whether we can start to create a false breakout, or we just continue on from here. Again, I'd like to see a bit of volume. That's what's questioning me whether it's going to be a true breakout or not. Normally, a good breakout would be a break and then a run, but we're not getting a good breakout. So that's what I'm seeing there, guys, on silver and also gold, the SLV, and also the GOD.